Exercise 20A. Question number 1. The length and the breadth of a rectangular plot are 135 and 65 meter. So this is your rectangle P Q R S. The length and breadth. So length is 135 and breadth is 65. Find the perimeter and the cost of fencing at the rate of rupee 60 per meter. So the fencing means what? Fencing means we are covering this rectangular field from outside totally to protect that field. Okay. So now, as you know, perimeter of rectangular field equals to 2 in bracket length plus breadth. So 2 into in bracket length, value of length 135, then value of breadth 65. So 2 into, now add this 200. So 2 into 200, 400. So the perimeter of that rectangular field is 400 meter. Now cost of fencing. Cost of fencing. So cost of fencing is given to us 60 rupees per meter. So the required perimeter, which is 400 into cost 60. So 6 4 ja 24 followed by 30. So 24,000 will be the required cost for the fencing this rectangular field. Okay. Then question number 2. In question number 2, ratio of length is to breadth is given to us 7 is to 4. So 7 will be 7x and 4 will be 4x. Now as you know, perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 times length plus breadth. Now the value of perimeter is given to you 440 in the question. So 440 equals to 2 times L plus B. So 7x plus 4x. Now this 2 is 2 into. So you can transpose this to the left hand side. So 440 divided by 2 equals to 7x plus 4x 11x. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 ja 0. So 11x equals to 220. 11x can be written as 11 into x equals to 220. X equals to 220 divided by 11. So finally x equals to 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22 followed by 0. So the value is 20. Okay. Now we will find length and breadth. So length equals to 7x means 7 into 20, 140, and similarly the breadth is 80. Now find the cost of fencing. So for the fencing we have to find perimeter. So perimeter equals to 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. Okay. So 2 into 140 plus 80. So 2 into 220, which is 440. By the way, you are continue with the given perimeter. You are not supposed to find this. Okay. So the 440 is given to you perimeter. So directly you can find cost of fencing. So cost of fencing equals to perimeter, which is 440, and the cost is 150 rupees per meter. So now multiply 440 and 150. Okay. Answer will be rupee 66,000. So this is your question number 2. Then question number 3 you can solve. Then question number 4. The diagonal of a square. The diagonal of a square is 12 root 2. Find its perimeter. So the diagonal of square. Simply we are having formula for the diagonal of square. The diagonal of square is a root 2. This is the formula for the diagonal of square. So a root 2 is the diagonal of the square, which will be equals to 12 root 2. So now this a root 2 can be written as a into root 2 equals to 12 into root 2. Now a equals to 12 into root 2 divide by root 2. Why divide? Because on this side we are having relation of multiplication, so on transposing to the right hand side we have to divide. So this root 2 get cancelled. A equals to how much? 12. So a equals to 12 centimeter. Now this is the side. Asking for perimeter and the square is given. So perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. So 4 into 12. 48 centimeter is required perimeter. Then question number 5 you can solve. Question number 6 I am explaining here. So in question number 6, perimeter of rectangle, find the perimeter of rectangle, length 24 and diagonal 25. So this is your rectangle. In this rectangle, let's suppose this is P, Q, R, S. So length is given to you, length is 24. So this length is 24 centimeter. That means this is also 24. Now diagonal is given to you, diagonal is 25. So we are joining this S to Q. So SQ will be your diagonal. In a rectangle, all the angles are equal, which is 90 degree. So as you can see, we have to find perimeter. So the perimeter of this particular rectangle is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SR. In this PQ and RS is known to us, but we don't know what is the value of QR and what is the value of PS. So simply this 24 is length, that means this is breadth. So we don't know the value of breadth, and that we will calculate. Okay. So now, as you can see, triangle SRQ is a right angle triangle. Remember chapter number 16, Pythagoras theorem. Triangle SRQ is right angle triangle. Now the side opposite to this right angle is hypotenuse. So your SQ is hypotenuse. Then QR is your perpendicular. Then SR is your base. And as you know about Pythagoras theorem, diagonal is given to you, diagonal is 25 centimeter. So Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is SQ, so write SQ square. Perpendicular is QR, so write QR square, plus base is SR, so write SR square. Now in this we know about SQ. SQ is 25, so 25 square equals to, we have to find QR, so QR square will be same. Then SR we know 24, so 24 square. Okay. So now 25 square, 625 equals to QR square plus 24 square, 576. Now transpose this 526 to get the value of QR square. So QR square equals to 625 minus 576. So QR square equals to 49. Finally QR equals to, ये स्क्वायर वहाँ चले जाएगा, अंडर रूट 49. 49 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है किसका? 7 का. So QR is 7. Value of QR is 7. So this is 7. That means this PS is also 7. Now this is your rectangular field. So find the perimeter. So perimeter will be 2 in bracket length plus breadth. So 2 into value of length 24 plus value of breadth 7. So 2 into 24 plus 7, 31. So 31 into 2, 62. So 62 centimeter is your required perimeter for this question. Then question number 7 you can solve. Okay, then solve till question number 11. Okay, and the question number 8, 9, 10, these all are same. These all are easy questions. Examples are given for question number 10. So solve these questions up to 11. If you are having any doubt, do message.